In this video we will continue with Spring Data Jdbc. Today we will create a CRUD API with a one-to-one relationship between two database tables. We are back in Eclipse and can go over all the classes. We start with the two records from a previous video of the Spring Data Jdbc series. Owner and address. In owner we have ID, full name, email, username, and a reference to address. In the address record we have one field, address line, and no reference to the owner table. Furthermore, we have the owner repository, owner service, and owner controller classes. The owner repository interface extends as in the previous videos the list CRUD repository. The owner service has the same setup as the tutorial service from the previous video. Also here we have all the methods for a CRUD API. Create, read, update, and delete. The last class is the owner controller. Again, we have the same methods from the previous video. Everything is provided for a CRUD API with a one-to-one relationship between two tables. Spring Data Jdbc takes care of everything for us. In the next video we will continue with a one-to-many relationship between two tables. I want to briefly go over another test in Insomnia. From the getOwner endpoint we get a list of all owners with their addresses. The postOwner endpoint creates a new owner with its address. UpdateOwner adjusts the with ID 7. And with deleteOwner the owner is deleted along with its address.